Welcome to our YouTube video on Introduction to YouTube Automation. If you're looking to create a successful, faceless cash cow channel on YouTube, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of YouTube automation and how it can be used to grow your channel, increase your views, and make money on YouTube. We'll provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to use YouTube automation to create a profitable channel, as well as tips and tricks for optimizing your content. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of YouTube automation. Setting up YouTube automation tools involves a step-by-step process that can help automate your YouTube channel, maximize efficiency and profitability. Firstly, research and select the right YouTube automation software or tool that aligns with your channel goals. Next, define your channel's niche and create a content strategy that incorporates your audience's interests, keyword research, and content trends. Then, automate your channel by creating a schedule for your uploads, optimizing your video metadata, and using a social media management tool to promote your content on other platforms. Finally, analyze and evaluate the performance of your channel regularly using analytics tools, and make necessary changes to improve your results. By following these steps, you can create a successful and profitable automated YouTube channel. Creating content with automation involves using a variety of tools and techniques to streamline the video creation process and ensure high-quality content. One way to do this is by automating the editing process, which can be done with the use of video editing software that offers features like auto-trimming, automatic color correction, and audio leveling. Another way to automate content creation is through the use of artificial intelligence, which can be used to generate ideas for content, captions, and even entire scripts. Additionally, automating the distribution of your videos to social media platforms can help to increase visibility and engagement, which in turn can lead to higher profitability. By combining these and other automation techniques, creators can produce high-quality content efficiently and consistently, leading to greater success on YouTube. Analyzing and optimizing your automated YouTube channel is crucial for ensuring maximum performance and profitability. One of the primary tools for this is YouTube Analytics, which provides insights into various metrics such as views, engagement, and demographics. By tracking these metrics, you can identify trends and areas that need improvement and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Additionally, optimization tools such as TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help with keyword research, video SEO, and other optimization techniques to improve your channel's visibility and reach a larger audience. By using these tools in conjunction with your automation setup, you can continuously refine your channel's performance and increase your earnings. YouTube automation can be a powerful tool for creating a successful and profitable channel. But there are also common mistakes that creators can make. One common mistake is relying too heavily on automation and neglecting the human touch that can make a channel unique and engaging. Another mistake is not properly monitoring and optimizing the automated content, which can lead to low views and engagement. To avoid these mistakes, it's important to strike a balance between automation and personalization, and to regularly analyze and optimize your content for maximum performance. Additionally, staying up to date on the latest automation tools and strategies can help you stay ahead of the curve and avoid common pitfalls. Dear viewers, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. We always appreciate your support and feedback. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. We have plenty of exciting videos in store for you, and we don't want you to miss out. Thank you again for your support, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.